earlier this week, I did a video of flip the coin. And at that moment, at that time, I didn't know there was more MVs. So apparently there's two other MVs. I guess they're for B-sides. That's probably why I missed them. And felt bad not checking those out too. Because they were pretty sick in that MV I watched in Flip the Coin. So I'm gonna check out, I think it's JeLLo and what is the other one? HICCUPS. We're gonna do JeLLo and HICCUPS. Here we go. JeLLo's first. That. Do they have a mascot? Okay, like another record for time to crop top. Wait, what the heck? What is happening to the song? This is switching up insanely, a large amount. It's an interesting choice. Oh yeah, there we go. I like this part. What are we doing? Man, everybody's got crop top, sleeveless. Oh my gosh, man. This is literally a flexing video. Like physically flexing. What is This production is insane. I don't even know what's happening. I like it, but it's weird. Wow. Hey. Like I said, that was weird, but good. So, let's check out HICCUPS. So both of these are just like, they say MV, but they're like track video, half the song, like 1/3 of the song. Interesting that they called them MV. Or the song's really, if the song's really actually 137, that's insane. If it's 1 minute 37, it can't be. It has to be a bigger song than that. What are we just starting out with them like panting? I keep doing this glitchy thing in their MVs. Oh my, what the? Was that one of them? Sorry, I'm trying to find it again. That is one of them. I don't know names right now, but whoever that is, what the frick? You just casually stick that in the video, like it's not a crazy move. Okay. They're like the Jesus group, apparently. They're standing on that water. Oh. Oh, this editor popped off. Oh. Are they B-boys or something? What the flip are those shoes? Oh, I'd like to know who was going off in the back with that vocal. Oh no, I'm gonna have to do some research. There's just so many groups up here already, it's hard. But they might have won me over with those B-side things. B-side MVs. By the way, more like track videos. That song has to be longer than that. There's no way that's the full song. Because these both were only like a minute and a half around there. The real song has to be longer. I'm gonna have to check that out. think there's a whole album. So I'm gonna check out the other B-sides and see if these B-sides are really that short because that's strange. Anyway, thank you. I hope you have a good day. Bye.